In this question we have four principles. Principle 1 explains to us as to when a person is said to defame another person. Principle 2 explains to us about the liability of a person who repeats a defamatory matter. Principle 3 explains to us about the liability of people who disseminate the defamatory matter. Principle 4 explains to us about the liability of a publisher of a defamatory matter. Now the facts in the present question are: a libelous letter was circulated by Mahesh in which it was stated that Ganesh, a government officer, issued false certificates, accepted bribes, and was involved in gross misuse of his office. Now the contents of the letter were untrue. Moreover, Ganesh instituted a suit for defamation against Mahesh, which was successful. Now, Kumar, one of the recipients of the letter, sent the sealed letter through Ramu, his servant, to Raja, the editor of the magazine Satya Jyoti. Now, the letter was published in the magazine. Ganesh instituted a new suit against Kumar, Raja, and Ramu. Decide. So, over here we need to decide, that is, suppose Raja decides to claim indemnity from Kumar, whether his action would succeed or not, right? So over here the correct answer is B, that is no, as there was no contract to that effect, he cannot claim to be indemnified by Kumar, right? Now the reason why B is the correct answer is principle 4, which is appended to the question, clearly provides that a publisher of a defamatory matter cannot claim indemnity from the supplier of the information for supplying wrong information unless there's a contract to that effect, right? So this is what is provided in the principle. Now a publisher who publishes a defamatory matter, he has the duty to verify the correctness, he has the duty to verify the authenticity of the information which is received by him, right? Especially when the information is defamatory. So from the facts you get to know that the information was completely defamatory, right? Now again, the publisher has no legal right to receive the correct information, right? Therefore he cannot claim to be indemnified unless there's a contract to that effect, right? So again, we will be applying principle 4, that is, which clearly says that unless there is a contract to that to the effect, right? So basically by applying principle 4 to the given set of facts, we can say that the correct answer is B, that is no, as there was no contract to that effect, the publisher cannot claim to be indemnified by the Kumar.